Morning, morning.
Morning, morning. Ready ho. Gold sells, eh? Nice in the 15 as well, actually. 5. Very nice.
Morning, morning.
Morning, morning. Right, so let's get this over. Let's do this 1 second. Okay, so welcome everyone to another beautiful day. And yeah, welcome. So let's get into this. So news today, we're actually okay for news, which is good. Actually, let me just put this one on. This is a little bit better. So yeah, news actually today is not too bad, which is great news. There's nothing this morning that's really that interesting, which is okay, and later on as well, so that's good. Okay, let's get into this. So in terms of Goldie, actually on the daily time frame, it closed bullish, which is interesting. Closed bullish, actually made no bottom wick that whole day, which is mad. So looking like we are playing in this area from here to here. I do think though, if we do break this low here, we're gonna have a nice salary play on the daily to then continue down to the support, which would be nice for the sells, to be honest with you. So we'll take a look at that on the lower time frames, but that looks pretty good. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour time frame, yeah, nothing really the nicest zone. A lot of resistance at 1667. So we're just looking like we're ranging on the 4 hour time frame as a whole. Why is this crackling so bad today? So yeah, I mean, happily take sells below 1644, to be honest with you, because below 1644 is the flip of the daily, and it's also a clean zone below. Can you see? So that's 100% where I want to target. Take a look at the hourly time frame. You can see the support like here. Take a look at the 30, that matches up, which is great. So hopefully sells below that level would be Gucci. So like this, beautiful stuff. So yeah, I mean, maybe sells below there. I think that's probably what I'm gonna wait for on gold. Getting up a little bit higher up, you could do in terms of maybe a 5-minute trend line, if there is one up there. We'll have to see. Yeah, that's the sells below. Beautiful stuff. And if we do get the sells below, where could we target? Well, we could target. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, we could target quite far back down. Pushed quite hard, so probably around those areas. 1622. That's a 200 pip zone, so yeah, it's pretty nice. Obviously, there's a minor support here as well, 1634, halfway point, so yeah, looking pretty solid for the sells later on, maybe. In terms of the buys, there's not one bit that I think that's clean, to be honest with you, if I'm honest, so I'm probably just going to have to wait for the buys, probably above 1682. I don't really like how there's so many resistances here. There's fucking loads of them. We just put every single one on, and the zones get very small, right? So I'm probably just gonna leave that alone. So yeah, that is for my Goldie. I think the sells are gonna play nicely today. Let's take a look at through Asian and stuff. Yeah, we just got a big push up, quite a large push up to the level. Did that 2 hour hold? Did anyone hold that 2 hour yesterday? Yeah, it did. Did anyone take it? Right. Did you take it? Nice. You just hold the whole way?
Yeah, I got like, I think it was 37 pips full and the rest.
Beautiful. Hey, it wicked up though, so you couldn't go break even straight away, you had to just hold it, eh?
Yeah, 100%.
They do a 5-minute bearish at the time. Yeah. It's like right around here, eh? Rather nice. That's class. Beautiful. So yeah, we'll see the cells below. Are you Vietnamese today? Yes. Okay, let's take a look at GJ, sorry. So GJ, clearly the daily's closed above, right? Very, very nice. We actually went all the way to 170, which is mad. I haven't seen that in a while. Well, I don't think I've ever seen that. Was that 2016 when I haven't? So I don't think I've ever seen 170. Which is mad because we went all the way to 149 as well a couple of weeks ago, so madness. So yeah, in terms of the daily time frame, looking pretty good, to be honest with you. To continue bullish in terms of just the higher time frames, which is fine. Why is this creaking so bad today? Oh, it's painful. 4-hour time frame is here. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, does have a bit of resistance at 169, like 500 level, which could cause a little bit of concern. Take a look at the hourly, the 30-minute, the 15-minute, all that kind of stuff. We have a support here. So the Asian lows are right there, but then there's also a little bit of support there. So sells below 168,566 would be actually not too bad to go to 168,200. That's actually not a bad little zone. 38 pips, that could be pretty good. I quite like that sell zone. So yeah, in terms of the buys, the buys are going to be a little bit hard because, as I said, I'm not going to be buying the highs again. I can't be asked to buy highs. For the buy of the highs there, 115, that was quite a nice retest actually. That worked quite nicely. You can see though the buying the highs here would have been a pain in the ass. So yeah, in terms of actual buys, we'll have to see if it comes back down to 168,600 and make some support. Might be able to take some buys from there. For the most part though, I don't really see where I would want to take the buys really. How big is this zone? That's 33 pips. That's actually not too bad.
Yeah, Cowboy Jason is already in the buy.
Oh, wow. On GJ?
Yeah.
50-minute close bullish. Is he getting on this 50-minute low wick? 15-minute low wick. I'm trying to get this crack out. It's fucking well line. DC GJ hourly celery onion. No, because this candle here, even though it could class as a celery if it breaks that low, this is a rejection wick. This is a long wick to the downside. It needs to be the opposite. If you wanted a celery, the celery play should look like this. So it has rejection from the upside, not the downside. It's also an OB as well. That's why Jason's in, isn't it? Look at the 5-minute. Yeah.
OG's
So,
in.
so.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. So we'll see. How big are the stops? Did you get it? What point did you get in, Jace? Stops are like 20, 25 pips. That's not too bad.
The boy.
That's not too bad, boy. So yeah, a little OB if people want to play with it. This is quite a nice one as well. Breaker structure, candle before the push. Very nice. Let me just get my magic keys out. So yeah, I mean, in terms of the buys, it's quite hard. This is probably the only way you could really get the buys recently because the zone is it's not really the nicest, I'd say, in terms of it. I wouldn't say it's the nicest. So yeah.
We were trying to get into gold sales before.
Yeah.
Once this hourly closed, you get the retest at 1657.5.
Let's take a
Just
look.
never got the retest.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
Go
a
to
bit
5,
of a
you'll
that's a
see
bit
the
of a fucker.
retest.
Yeah.
Right there on the double bottom, yeah.
Yeah.
Never got there.
Yeah, that's a shame. Yeah. That's a little bummer.
Fucking irritating. What are you doing about?
The 15's there though. Wow, pretty clean, eh?
Yeah.
How big were the stops here? Ooh. They weren't too bad, eh? They weren't too bad. Think I'm gonna sell EJ. Oh, we'll take a look at EJ as well. We'll take a look. We'll take a look. You're gonna sell EJ, okay? So, ooh, does EJ have an M? No, not really. Not really. Yeah, you probably have to wait for this next 30-minute candle to close below, but this zone is a little bit choppy here. It's a little bit chop central. Look at the hourly. The hourly hasn't closed below yet, so yeah, I'll have to see. We'll have to see, yeah. In terms of where I want to take trades on Goldie, I'm trying to think for the buys now. Where would you want to make? Where would you want to have support to be formed? I mean, it looks like you actually might be able to get some here on the hourly. 1653. Yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, the only zone that I really want to target in terms of trades for buys is this. It moves clean. So we'll see if we can make some support at this level of 1654. Yeah, we'll have to see. I'm really interested in the cells, though. To be honest, those cells up there might be perfect. GJ's still in this little OB area, so people taking OBs. If you could get in now, it's like a 20 pip stop. Rather nice.
Yeah, there's a 5-minute area at the top that we could potentially come to as well. So I didn't want to wait until we get there on GJ. So you can see the engulfing. So there's like a gap there that we need to come back and just play around in before continuing up.
Yeah, 100%.
The 1 minute is also making head and shoulders. Shoulder, made the head, made another other shoulder.
Very nice. May you please look at gold. 4-hour previous candle have a big wick that might be filled. So don't you think you'll have to create support in lower time frame and hopefully a buy to fill the 4-hour wick. Let's take a look. On gold, there's no wick. There's no wick here. Let's see. There's no wick, boy. There's a little small one, but that could be resistance formed as well. So we'll have to see. GJ back in the zone. Got into GJ sell based on OB. What do you think? A sell. Oh, you sent me the chart. Let me take a look at this chart. Let me take a look. Oh, this one here? Yeah. I see. Very nice. On the 15. Change, broke the structure as well. Yeah, worked out nicely, eh? Very nice. Beautiful. Yeah, what do you guys think for Goldie? I really want these sells, man. Because the daily didn't close above this level that we talked about yesterday, 1664. So it's gotta come down to some point today. GJ's pushing down over here. Look at that 5-minute top wick. Ooh. Discord notification not working again. Rip. At least it only missed 20 minutes. Yeah, the Discord, the bot sometimes is a little bit slow. Sometimes a little bit too slow.
So on gold, I still got my trend line on the 2-hour that I drew yesterday. So it's basically just respecting. So check yesterday, right, when I had that on the daily and 2-hour breakdown. I think it was NY.
Yeah. And NY, yeah.
Exactly, it happened to the prop, my man. I don't know if you had a review on it.
Yeah, talk about the OB as well there. Oh. Look at that. That was so nice of the 2-hour as well. Oh. Very nice.
I actually got tapped on that, so
Oh, that's a
I
shame.
was in, and then I took partials, and then I had a runner. And what happened was my trade hit break even, the runner hit break even, and then there was a black tape, bro. I got in on the black tape myself and Joe. And yeah, and then this morning I came from mosque this morning and gold had a 5-minute trend line, but I was so knackered, mate. I fell asleep. So when I woke up now earlier, I'm like, holy shit, bro. I should have just taken that 5 minutes.
Yeah, which one was it?
No, yeah, it was round about there. Let me just
Yeah,
check.
that one exactly. Yeah.
That one? Or it's
But I
quite
know we
hard down
pushed
here.
hard down. Let me just, I threw it on my app.
No, you go all the way from the top, Max.
But on that wick here?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, like that.
Ah, yeah, press Q back
You had a
down.
break, retest, and then
Yeah.
push. And that was at 4 in the morning.
Very
Yeah,
nice.
So annoyed, man. That was, oh yeah, it's 5. It was 5 by me, so 4 by you. Yeah, 100%.
Tell me if you are allowed. The guy from South Africa, what is his social media name? I'm also South Africa. Would like to text him.
He's the
Let me-
Tix Max, man. Tix Max
Let's put Jason's name on.
under the radar. Off the grid, mate.
Hey, Jason's pulled.
This is issue, mate. You know, this is wild.
Hey, yeah, that's true. This is wild, boy. That guy got slapped on GJ cells. He'd still be in, I think. So yeah, I mean, I'm. There's nothing really that I want to see right now, apart from GJ making some either movement from the downside below 168,500. I think for me, the buy's a little bit sus. I can't really find a level which I'd want to take them off. Maybe if this reflips and breaks, I think you've got a nice little run over here, especially with the confidence of the OB and stuff. So that could be interesting. Only 3 minutes left though. Stop loss is 26 pips. So you'll have to see. But yeah, in terms of the gold, all I'm really looking for here is just to make some support there to then continue back bullish. Or if we do break below, then the sells would be rather nice. How big is the zone from there to there? Oh, it's 60 pips. Fuck me. Yeah, I might be able to take those trades below there as well.
Even he got some beautiful sells on gold.
Last night?
Yeah. And he entered at 71, so it was already from last week, because he talked about the high that made yesterday did not tap him out, and he closed 50% when he came somewhere down there at 200 pips.
Oh.
He closed 50 lots on 200 pips, or half. So he on the picture of Instagram, he had half running on 25 lots, and it was on 50k already.
Nice.
Yeah, 51,000.
Very
So
nice.
he's expecting sells
Yeah.
on gold. Yeah.
It looks good for that on the higher time frames. If this daily breaks that daily low of the salary play, man. It's gonna be
Yeah, that's what we were talking about before.
yeah. What's Brian looking at, Mr. GJ Slayer?
I took a small L on GJ now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, from the OB, but I didn't get in yet. And then I was watching the 15 reject, and then the 5 kind of was like breaking the high, right? So it was a celery kind of in a way.
Yeah.
And as it broke the high, it tapped me in and then fucking dumped.
Yeah.
So
think
as
I
I
made
said that I will break. I'll just cut the position when it breaks its own low. So it was a small loss.
Yeah, that's fair.
But I was really hoping for that to break up. And it literally, on the 5 minute, just breaks the previous high and then just fucking down.
Nuts, yeah. Wow, my guy's managing risk on an OB, boy. Yeah, it's quite a big stop, right? It's a bit of a...
Yeah.
Especially if it's
But I
not
said in my mind, I was like, if it breaks its own low, I'm cutting it. That's it.
Yeah. Brian lost. Damn, let me see if it's snowing outside.
Just being transparent, guys. You want to see my bank balance?
I also held some lekker drawdown, man. I held my balls were sweaty.
Yeah, well, it's still on, man. It's still on. It still hasn't broke it yet. So it's. I'm still interested in it, to be honest with you, but maybe just this reflip. But obviously the 15's closing now, so and the 30's closing now, so I have to go to wait a little bit longer over here.
Yeah, I went for the same thing. I've actually had 2 L's already this morning. I tried to get into cells earlier. I just got in a little bit early and I cut it. I just went into a bit of drawdown and I fucking ended up playing out mid. I was like, it's all good though. It happens.
Yeah. 60% GG sell, let's go. Ooh, very nice. Yeah, so it's on that hourly support, 4-hour support now, so I'm still looking for these GJ buys, to be honest with you, and I'm targeting these areas back.
Yeah, I also wanted it, but now if you draw, there's also an hourly trend line ascending, which it's now below. So I just did it to keep trend.
Yeah.
So we're now closing below 169. So could we come down some more?
Yeah. Yeah.
The only thing that scared me a bit was that 4 hour, like that 4 hour was pushing hard.
But you see, Jay, you got in on that 30 minute, right?
I actually got in on the 15.
Waited for. Okay, fair. I just waited a bit longer to see actual like support forming. You know what I mean?
Okay, that's what I got to tap in and the push, and yeah, I get what you mean. Like it was quick, man. It was so quick. Yeah, we could see it could react off that 5 there, bro. That's the last soldier in that
yeah.
Like now it will be disrespected if.
Well, that same 30 minutes, Jess. If we break below, remember it's now supply demand coming.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
So that's the only time now I'm gonna look for sells is from that 30 minute OB that you took by.
Below it.
Yeah.
If you do break below.
Yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes. How's the YouTube chat today? Let's take a look. How is NY session?
1 minute, no, it was price was so far away from the OB, and then the next minute, shoo, we were there.
And gold's coming to that 2 hour, 1 hour.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
So
and it falls on strong structure at 1649.077.
Yeah, that's a big zone. That.
Yeah,
that's my TP.
Jeez.
My TP is 51.42.
How did you get in?
The 15-minute flip.
Nice.
My entry is at 57.62.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Good top wick as well.
Yeah.
On the 2 hours, it's like a W, Brian. You see that?
Say again?
On the 2 hours, also like a W.
Yeah, but now I had like quite a strong structure coming through gold on the 4H. If you minimize your chart down gold max on the 4H, the reason for the sells are continuing is just go more to the left.
Further?
No, that's cool. So he has a strong line, which is why I want continuation sells. So I've got that structure, and obviously I've got my support line where you've got it too. I've got one here like you have. There's just that little, there's a 5 minute in here as well at around that area. But yeah, I would like the structure on gold is saying sell. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Hundreds. Oh yeah. It's just, I'm trying to find the clean zones. I think it's below 1648 for me. I mean, to be honest, yeah, the closure below 16, you know, that key level that you've pointed out there.
Yeah, 1648 is good. No, I enjoy that. That's fine. But if we get through that 1H OB, you see, that's the only barrier to continue.
So GJ, the 5 minutes looking like the holding, but the only issue is it could be just the retest in the 15.
Oh, you didn't. We need to trade in this area to fill that gap, man. Actually.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So I think it's quite a hard morning so far, trying to find my zones, but it's just because it's far away. Price is far away from where I want to trade it, so just gotta wait a little longer. I'm really wanting these buys on GJ, so I'm just watching this. Putting this next 15 goes. Can you please explain what a celery candle is, I beg? Yes.
Don't beg. You don't need it big.
I beg, tell me what it is.
I've been watching Don for like 8 years. Still doesn't know what a fucking celery blade.
It's when you get a opposite direction candle rejecting the zone and you take the sell break at the low. So if you look at GJ right now, sorry, not GJ, gold. The daily time frame celery play is right there. If it breaks that low, just daily low, it's looking good, boy. Goldie top 1654. Oh. So we'll see. So yesterday, anyone take any trades in NY? We
Yeah, just that one that you spoke about earlier.
Yeah, the first hourly again was just fucking boring. That 12 o'clock till 1 o'clock's been ass.
Yeah, I marked gold yesterday, and then I went for a walk in the afternoon, and I missed the entries, and I was so fucking pissed. Like, very pissed. Because they worked so beautiful. You had an entry at 62.75, and then you had an entry at 57.58. Clean entries, and then it just dumped from there. From the first entry, dumped 150 pips.
Yeah, that celery there was nice. I like that one. That's the same as the onion? No, it's not. The onion is support forming.
What's Finn doing in the gulag chat?
Hey, I'm not in there.
It says ginger. Hi there. Are any of you guys from SA funded?
Yeah, just recently.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of. I think all of them.
You're going for it, boy.
Ginger, my man.
The ginger
Ginger, my man, boy.
They're pushing hard now, eh?
Yeah, boy.
Look like we can hit this 5 minute out the park.
It's fine, it must fucking dump. We get that closure or we get that retest.
Correct, second. What are you looking for, you see there? For the cells?
Yeah, just a retest or that closure out just to get to that zone.
Okay, taking like a...
Or it rejects this 5 minute of this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna. 5 papas. Nah, it's only a 5 per risk, man. So it's fine. Literally
It
5
launches
per.
through it.
Yeah. Also, I'm hoping that we don't come further down. If we do, I've got my stop loss like just below 750. So I landed 750, not buddies.
Yeah, but your buddies when Max is in a trade around 750. Yeah.
750. My only L this month was on 750, so.
that little video clip is the funniest thing, man.
Which one?
The one where Jason's like, "Oh, I don't like this," and it's at 750, and then 1 pip later, he's like, "Oh, this is gonna work."
And he's in.
1 pip.
That's great.
Nah, the volume was just crazy that day, man.
Oh, that's the video telling to shut up.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Shut up. Don't go back to
Jason's
straight.
been nailed a few times, yeah.
Oh, that one was good.
Jason, shut up.
1 pip difference. It looks very good. Why you put in the chat messages? Oh yeah, someone messaged me. I don't know if it's someone in the group. It might be. He goes, "Your guy flexing Jason's profit in another group like they are his." It was Brian.
Yeah, but Jason knows about it. So tell her to calm the fuck down.
Yeah. And then I didn't really know what was going on. And I go, "Well, I know Brian." Oh wait, no. I said they are best mates. I think it's all good.
So what it was is Reno was hyping up Sasha's group from Sasha FX Dogs.
Oh.
I said to Jace, I'm gonna dump your pick in there with the percentage gains because Reno updated his. So I took Jason's one and put his in there. So myself and Reno were just like tuning the group a little bit. And the next minute, the so pops in and says, "Oh, like, Jason did well, good profits." I was like, "Yes, mate, we trade together. It's Jason's picture." I'm like, "Okay, cool, bro. Call the fucking trade police." You know what I mean?
Yeah. Hi, sir. What advice would you give approaching to your course for a beginner, especially those that just joined? So make sure to go to the G Drive and just make your way through all of the webinars, I'd say, to start off with. And then as time goes on, you start going through the webinars. They're all labeled from start to finish, so from the start. So always do the psychology ones first. Go through all of these ones, etc., etc. And then go on to the simulation sessions. And then always just ask me questions as well. If you guys have any questions, always just message me through it. Also go through the homework. The homeworks are really good for when you start actually trading and start looking at your zones and where you want to take trades. And then yeah, the simulation sessions is for back testing, showing you which moves you want to take and why. And then you just come to the webinar, the simulations every morning. Not the simulations every morning, the live streams every morning, and you should be raring to go. Yeah, that GJ saved it. So well done for people who took the OB.
I mean, I'm up 10 pups, bro.
Did you hold your other one, Jace?
No, the other one tapped me, but then I got in on the 5. I think it's a 5 pup risk.
Yeah, it rejected that 5-minute OB.
Yeah, thank God for that.
Yeah. Thank God for that. You took 10 pips as well.
I died. You don't even know what I did. I was just fucking around with OBs, man. I got in when Jason's pointed out to me. I'm like, fuck it, I'll try it. So I've been in a buy for like fucking 10 5-minute candles.
Are you still in, Maxi?
Yeah, bro. I got in. I got in
the 5.
I got in there, bro.
Bro.
So I've been in some serious drawdown for like. But I'm just playing out with it. I want to see how I deal with it, but I'm just like, you know what? I didn't hit my stop, so I don't give a fuck. You know. And then when you guys
you
told
got
me,
in high. You got in high.
oh, no, sorry, wait. Was it that way? Yeah, I got in when Jason
but
told
you see, that's
me.
how.
And
that's
I
how
saw.
we minimize the risk. It's too much risk.
Yeah, but the thing is, I'm just gonna aim for the highs, Brian. I won't close until we get up to 60 pips.
But just to reduce it, that was what was that? What's top premium on you? 15.
So now
There's one on the
Maxi, you check the 5. Maxi,
Yeah, fair.
So if you check the 5, we have formed it like a W. So if we close above now, we could have a retest to continue up. Just for confirmation now. So even though we tapped that 5 minute, now we would have that break of structure, whatever they call it.
Yeah, boy. So I might actually put a signal on soon for a little buy, as long as there's 15 closes over here. That's some good rejection, boy.
Fuck, if I lose this one, I'm gonna have to stop for the day.
Did you not get the 5 minute below?
Nah, I didn't.
Yeah.
I'm just being real careful.
Yeah.
5 pip risk, bro. 5 pip risk.
Oh, that alarm gives me nightmares.
Sorry.
Yeah, want me.
It's annoying me this morning, but best fucking snooze. So we'll see, man. So if this 15 closes, oh, it has closed. So 15's closed. How big are the stops in the previous? Ooh, 24 pips. 24 pipperoonies. It's a hard one because I kind of want the buys above here, to be honest. Because this level here is still a little bit sus because we're just coming back to this support.
If you look at the 5 minutes max, it may stops may be nice if you get the retest at 970, 68.
Yeah, I was thinking that. Yeah.
And then you have stops below the previous 5 or the previous 5, and previous will be 15 pips, and then you'll be below this. The retest of the OB.
Yeah, that's a great point.
And if you put it on the previous 5, it will be 10 pips, 11 pips. So it's worth the risk, I would say.
Yeah, boy.
So what you're saying is that the next entry is
970.
970. Yeah. So
we'll see if we can get there.
So your SL will now be my entry. Is that what you're saying, Manuel?
My SL would be below the previous, because that would tap my entry.
Okay.
When it comes down again, it will tap my entry, and then it will push up, because that's my entry.
But that's
already.
a nice W over there, man.
Yeah. We're gonna go retest it though. No.
So, but you see, Max,
Come
before
on.
all of that happened, I mentioned that we need to trade in that area because of the gap that was there. So that 5 minute, it was just waiting to be captured.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, 100%.
This might just go.
Run off, good. That's be my 100 top stinker, Brian. Oh, yet.
You haven't had one yet, huh?
I haven't on GJ, yeah. Oh, fuck, man.
Gold looks nicer for me. Oh, gold.
Support buying, yeah, 100%.
Yeah, gold's got a nice support buy. Let's look at the hourly. It's a great support for me.
This GJ's gone.
I know. I have to run bigger stops. 24 pip stops. The zone's massive though, so you shouldn't really worry. As long as it's percentage risk, you shouldn't really worry too much about it. I might just wait for this 30 to close, because then it'll be 8 o'clock volume. But I do know that I could miss it out.
Yeah, so sad. And you know what? Now I just had to sit my limit.
How much is gold? Oh, 30 pip stops as well. Fuck. 30 pips.
Sorry.
BJ's about to launch. Watch this.
Yeah, boy.
Send it.
Bye,
There it
GJ.
Follow position. Follow position.
Oh, that was so. How far did it get down? Yeah, I went nowhere near. Wait, you're holding full, Jace?
Yes, my
Good
nigga.
lad.
Woo! Woo!
You
Now
got
closing
a
some.
good entry there.
Close up. Let's close some.
Close up, you pussy.
Fuck, I still need to put these sounds of my GJ chart.
Looking like Goldie's coming. I probably would have got in on this flip if the stop loss was decent, but the stop's 32 pips. It's quite big. The zone's big enough to the high, but it is 30 pips is rather big.
Let's go, GJ.
No, my days.
So this obviously London volumes coming, London Open volumes coming as well. So we could get some nice buys back up again.
Is it
4
not
hours
yet
to have
London
the
Open?
support, huh?
Is it not yet London Open?
No.
Brad Timmons.
I didn't say yeah, but me 9:49.
Yeah,
Oh,
yes,
shit.
Mom.
It's my terminal time. Fuck.
Your terminal's fucked.
But Brian, isn't your terminal also an hour ahead?
Why would it be our head, bro?
I don't know.
You just,
My terminal is the same. My terminal is 9:45.
yeah, it depends what country you're in, you fucking retards. You're always an hour ahead. Do you guys not realize that yet?
No, my MT4, my MT5 is 2 hours ahead, because here in Portugal is 7:50.
Yeah.
And MT5 is 9:50.
Oh, an
so it's 2 hours.
MT5, yeah, MT5.
Exactly.
MT5 is fucking
and
weird.
You say it's 8:50, and my terminal's like 9:50.
Yeah.
And by you, Max,
terminals,
it's what? 7:50.
the terminals are all fucked up. My terminal's fucking 9:50. So it's just 2 hours ahead of what it is. Sorry, I don't have these buy stops up now. I'm gonna wait a little longer over here. I'm on gold. Oof. I got out of my trade, my little OB one. I'm just gonna wait until this London Open. So that was fun. I got like 5 pips in profit and then fucking sat at 18 pip drawdown for ages. Like, beautiful. Are you in, Max? No, I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close. I just for me personally here, if you got the push up, then on this 5-minute OB, great. But this is the resistance now, which is just tap. So if it's starting to reject it, then I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer. And what I'd really want is this 15 to close above. If this 15 then closes above, like that, then I think this is gonna be clean. With also the 8 o'clock volume, so that's what I'm gonna wait for. That's what I'm gonna wait for. GJ on the fucking EJ in the 30-minute? Oh my god. Launched. Intangible shame, I got 952. Yeah. So we'll see how this GJ closes. I just know that this from here to here there is going to be nice, and that's it's quite a big zone, I think. Let's take a look. 21 pips. 21 pepperonis. Gold doing the 50-minute trend line tap. Gold is.
Coming for the W. Coming for the W. Should I go again? Should I go again? So tempting. So tempting.
I'm fucking staying out of it. Omar, hey, pro tip, don't always click on the ruler icon to measure the gap. Just click shift drag on the screen. Oh. Ah, very nice. No, I didn't know that. Oh, that's nice. It's fresh. Do do do. Personally, gold buys look way better than GJ. Not sure what you guys are seeing on GJ. Gold looks way cleaner. Yeah, I agree. I think gold looks cleaner. I think it's because we're just getting giddy about this OB level down here. I do agree though, but I still think this 30-minute area here will move quickly. But yeah, I also agree. I think the reason why I like gold, GJ buys more than gold buys is because I think gold's bearish. So.
Gold's also got a untested sell.
On what time frame?
Let me just double check. 15. You'll see the little OB at the bottom. Yeah. No, there it is. Lower. Yeah. So there's one, and the one above it.
Yeah, got a lot of areas.
So there's a couple there to go tap.
Hey,
So
pro
DJ
tip.
made the retest.
Huh?
DJ made the retest on the W.
Yep. It worked.
So did GJ. Yeah.
It worked. It worked.
Wait.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. I showed you.
Are you break even
all
yet,
my
Jess?
intentions.
Have you taken anything, Jess?
I've taken on my
You
first.
should be up a decent amount there on that W.
Bro, I am definitely. I'm so. I think this is one of my best months.
It should be when you're over risking your account.
Yeah, it is. Nah, but I've been over this. I'm not gonna lie.
Don't run off before me, please. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's
This is
gone.
the one. Jason, you gotta hold this runner, boy.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. Easy. 169, 337, 3030.
Just put that runner TP at 170. Simple.
Yeah.
So
I
let me
think
just.
my runners will be of new highs.
Yeah.
That's what I want my new runners to be. New highs. So 70.500, something like that. New highs. Yeah.
Okay. So I've closed the W full, but I still have my bottom position.
Good stuff.
20 pips in the previous 15. I'm probably gonna go for that if we get a nice little low wick.
Missed my
I know,
buy
but-
limit on the W retest for 1.2 pips.
I was watching it. It didn't actually hit it.
Motherfucker.
Yeah.
No, it
Yeah, I
came
had
to
it
the-
on, didn't hit me. I should have just manually entered.
Yeah, I was looking at it and it came down and it started to go up and I said, no, you are gonna go now. Yeah, and it just, well, you see it.
Them retest entries, you gotta be fucking on the
They
ball.
are disgustingly good, mate. Telling you.
Guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for rubbing it in. Y'all need to
Rub
listen.
it, boy. Rub it.
Y'all
Get
need
bigger.
to listen.
You get
Look at that. Open that Telegram.
That's Sashinobi, yeah.
Open that
Hello.
Telegram and just think that could have been you.
Nah, I decided not to take this shit. Oh.
So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 1 to 7 risk to reward. 1 to 7. That could have been you. Join the mentorship, guys. Join the mentorship. You get the rest of the audience. Join the.
Yeah,
Join
Max,
a
just tell that guy that inboxed you on IG. If he joins us properly, then he can make that type of gains.
Oh, I'm not liking these GG buys anymore.
Yeah, but we got partial long ago.
No. I was gonna get it if it closed above here, but
That's almost a 30 pip trade.
yeah.
See what we're reacting off here. Wow, okay, there's an IC there, break below on the 15.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, boy.
You got that position, so
Yeah.
Trade done.
I
Trade done.
got that low.
So, London Open is starting. Yeah, I'm a little bit confused on where we're going to go now. We're pondering on 169. Actually, I don't think we're pondering right now. They're going pushing quite hard. Holy!
holy.
Break that 30-minute OB, boy. Not 30-minute, 15. Take a sell there, break the low. What's the name of the Asian guy speaking? So 30-minute on gold, he's gonna close a little bit bearish as well. Anyone got this 5-minute trend line on gold? I'm looking for these sells.
Yeah.
Boy. Oh yes. Asian guys, Max. 40 likes, guys. Make sure to like the stream. Takes 2 seconds to like the stream, boy. So there we go, 8 o'clock. Looking like GJ's gonna push. Huh?
Are you talking about the 2-touch?
Yeah, boy.
Oh, okay.
15 goes bearish and GJ should probably push down, to be honest, after that rejection. 27 pips stops, quite beefy. First TP would be like 15, 16. It's just not really worth it. Beefy. GJ proper Kent. Yeah, well, I think now it's just you gotta relax, and you know there's really good discussions there in terms of the trades taken. A lot of us are waiting for this retest back in the W. They just took this buy here. You got like fucking 30 pips out of it in the space of 5 minutes, 4 minutes, something like that. There was also an OB level here, so if you guys don't know what OBs are, actually let me just put Ninjas, because Ninja might actually like me sharing it to other people as well. I think do you think so or not?
If you wanting to punt somebody else, then it's up to you, mate. That's admirable of you. You know what I mean?
Where's his video? Oh, I can go on here, can't I? And go on videos or links. Was it a link or a video? Oh my god!
Hey,
the
what
fuck is all
dog
this
is that?
shit out
Chowie?
here? What the fuck is all that in there?
Some fetish over here.
Look at all these.
Doggy
share
style.
thing.
You listen, yeah. You seeing the move straight from the dog.
There we go. Copy link. This is one of our mates in the group who taught us this. Hopefully you can see it. I think you might. Oh no, it says oops, something went wrong. Shit. I'll ask him.
Just share his Instagram if you want to do that.
Oh yeah.
You can get interaction.
Does it have that video there? Oh, he says the link works fine. Okay. Does it, Hein? For me, it doesn't.
CJ loves to see another day.
Yeah. DJ's chilling about, boy.
Ralph Parsons is still up 20, man.
Yeah, this is where GJ robs people, bro. When it plays like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, let's get in. It's time to get in. I go, I don't think so now.
Yeah.
Rejected the
But that was your
highs.
TP level. That 15 IC was the TP for that 5-minute trade, bro.
Sure.
It's got a 15-minute here. It's also got a 15-minute. Pondering in these levels.
CJ, take your money. CJ, take your money. The thing is, that's like Steve said a while back. Well, if I'm profiting, it means somebody needs to lose, you know, so that I can be profitable.
Come on, Goldie boy. Get down. Yeah, I think 30-minute close bullish on GJ as well, but very weak bullish, rejected the highs. That was a massive bearish volume just at the end there.
Right at the end, mate. It just had to capture that last candle.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Bless that kind soul.
Sorry.
Yeah, and the 15 was bearish on Goldie as well, actually.
Goldie on a little wedge now. Yeah. Because if you push... Sorry. If you draw a trend line from the high at 60.06 all the way down, now at this candle here you have 2 hours of zone and you have 2 touches.
Wait, here?
Yeah, from there to the...
GJ's on fucking acid, man.
Look at GJ. Oh my god. Like that? Little wedge.
Yeah. He's well.
Yeah, boy.
I'm still in, my niggas.
Wait, is that your lower entry? I'd fucking hold
Yeah.
that shit on all day, bro. Hold that shit on all day, man.
Oh god.
Yeah, it should be good.
Was it like 1 hourly support
Yeah.
for reacting of a 4 hour or so?
Oh yeah.
See what my 12 hours say.
Fucking gold is fucking about now.
Mate, Steve, you got enough, bro. You got enough money.
I secured at 15 and it's just pulled back 10 pips and it's just dumped 10 pips.
There's an area at the bottom, Stevie.
There's a what? An eel?
There's an area, yeah, like a liquidity area, 1652. So, I don't like the cells really on gold.
Nah.
Yeah, but that area at the bottom is untested, mate, so it's a good magnet.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So it could basically just do what GJ did now.
I think it's good because we're going to leave a nice retest structure. You've got a double bottom that we could retest, and you've got an IC candle to retest on 5.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I think it could be really good.
Yeah, fucking Jesus. I closed at 15. I could have had 25.
That's so good, so good.
I've doubled my risk on gold now. I now risk 0.2%.
You bloody rebel.
I know, I'm going for it.
Well, someone has to, eh?
Well, we can't all risk 20% like you do.
Steve, stop playing with me, man.
Oh, it's looking good. Stop loss is gonna be quite big though, to be honest. But tough shit. My only cause of concern is this little support here. It's actually not little, it's quite big. Do I really want to take a sell right on that level?
Yeah, but you've flown through it twice now.
That's true.
You got up one way and come down one way.
How is this retrace? It's going to definitely retrace to the trend line, which is this level here. So 1654. I don't think it's going to come and tap up here. Yeah, 20 pip stops. Actually, not that bad.
That would have been my TP hits.
Don't go without us.
Don't go. 1 more minute, please, Goldie. 1 more minute. The last minute of this candle closure just feels so long. Boom, boom, boom. Just chill your shit, boy.
Take that 5 minutes that just stepped into Brian that you mentioned.
Ah.
Yeah. Okay. See how much did I read this? And there I got tapped, man. Runner out.
What, on GJ?
Yeah.
Oh shit. That shit reversed. Manuel, you going for this, boy?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you've got stock coming up a little bit more over here. 64.1. So 1654.1 around these areas, we're going to take a sell. Stop loss above. Okay, I'm in now. Stop loss above 20 pips. Full TP is gonna be at 46. $16.52 there. It's gonna be like TP1. Do 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 do. Push, you pussy.
Give us the daily salary. Do that for us.
Yeah, boy. New, 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 new.
You 12 pips.
Huh?
I'm just checking the target.
Is it 12 pips?
That's what you've put on the thing.
16, 17. I mean, to be honest with you, you could ride it a bit further to there. It's just this minor here, but it could be okay. Oh, it's a big push up. 1651. How big is that for the stop now? Yeah, that's not bad.
Even antested in at the top, so there's also an interruption.
Oh, sorry, 12 pips on the signal. Sorry. Yeah, I'm changing that. Okay, GJ. Pounding down, boy.
Whoa, GJ.
Yeah,
What
man.
the
Look at that.
GJ on steroids.
Hopefully that'll push down Goldie as well.
Oh, Goldie.
Oh, Goldie, boy.
Just push a little more.
I know, I want it to hit like 7 pips. No, I'm fucking break even.
Oh, I got in a bit higher than you. I wasn't in, and it came and I looked up and bang, it hit me.
My only thing is that little support. So I kind of want to go break
Yeah,
even as soon as possible. Just want this fucking push. Come on, get to the low there, boy. Here we go.
Here we go.
But I'm going break even now, just because there's support there, and I just want the drive. If it doesn't give me the drive here, then that's fine. Risk-free trades again.
Come on, Goldie, I need you to go. I need you to really go.
Yeah, be nice.
1652, sorry.
Here we go.
Break even.
Here we go. Come on,
Beautiful.
Goldie. I need you to fucking fly. Some of those pips back.
Some of those pips back. The only cause of concern is this little miner here.
I think we should at least come down into the daily flip-ish.
Where the fuck's my daily flip?
1650.
Oh shit. Oh shit, it's close. Yeah.
Come on, do not go back and get me our BE.
Depends how high your wick up is here, that'll be fucking class.
Come
Yeah,
on,
just need
Goldie.
this. Come on, just open and dump.
Can you explain why you took this trade? Yeah, it's the 5-minute trend line trade strategy that we've learned in the past, like, fucking... I don't know how long we've been doing it. But, yeah, we backed this for a while.
Wake up and fuck us, yeah.
Yeah, it depends on your spreads in it, Finny boy.
The only thing is, it's done the retest of the trend line and all that. It should
Exactly,
come
yeah.
back to there.
You can give it to me. Yeah, it's just one of them things. Not!
Come on, down, pop. 1652.7.
To be honest with you, I'm not asked if this is a break even because it is out of support. 30, look at the 30. So the probability that our 5 breaks it is pretty low, but if it does, great. Are you taking GJ sells if the 30-minute closes below support? Yeah. I'd look at it.
I'm walking away.
Yeah. I think it's going to be a break even, unfortunately.
I reckon too.
Yeah, I hope not. The thing is this, we have an untested charting pattern at the top, man. So that was my only... I actually didn't get this. Just because of that
Higher up.
untested charting pattern, yeah.
Up here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But remember what I said last time? When we engulf the whole range, it usually just tests structure and then it goes.
Mm-hmm.
So...
Hopefully that's what it does. Needs to start turning soon.
Flip the candle, please.
If it flips, we should be alright, I reckon.
Yeah.
Come on, I need this, you prick.
It's gonna be.
What do you need? A BE?
I don't need a break BE. Fuck, I want 10 wins in this stream this month.
I
boy.
need a B.
Go! That fucking flip! That push, bitch!
Gonna go, guys.
Fucking go, boy.
Squad, man.
Get your ass down. Fill those fucking wicks. Lord have mercy. Oh, it looked like it was doing well then. Nah, the 1 minute is sus. Yeah.
Going.
Just fucking nut, boy. Dude, for us, get the 10 wins for this whole month on stream.
Come on.
Oh, Goldie, go.
You could just
Still
close
in.
now at 7 or 10 pips, I suppose. Because,
You can't trail.
yeah. Oh, well, if it's break even, it's break even. If not, that'd be good.
Ready? I reckon this next 5 will just open and dump.
I think if we knew that, we would make it.
Watch
easy.
this. I'm calling it early.
Come on.
Come on, gold. Give us something. Fuck everyone else, just me. I need to get at least 20 pips out of this. Can't believe I'm nervous. I feel nervous right now. Oh, here we go.
Oh, it's touched it.
It's touched it again and fucking.
Watch
Lord.
this next 5.
I think
this?
they know fun is in this trailer.
Go, you ball bag.
Ready? Watch this next 5. Just
Oh,
watch.
stop retreating up. It's fucking nuts. I'm actually looking at the 5 minute here. I'm just bored of it. It's fucking nuts, please.
Going.
Go on.
It's
Oh, here we go.
Oh.
I'm going to close some here because there's fucking left. I'm getting 50 pips out of it. Beautiful stuff. Another banging trade on Goldie. Very nice. Hopefully should continue down now. I actually closed here a little bit early just because there's support to the left. But yeah, very nice. So hopefully we can continue to TP1, which is past that level now. Yeah, there we go, boys. There we go.
There we go.
Whole lot of
Told
game.
ya.
Get some W's in the
Told ya.
chat, boy.
Wait for the 5.
Sheesh.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, beautiful. Right, I'm going to close over here to 22 pips. Very nice.
My dog, it's
5 minute trend line prevails again.
Everything. I close everything.
Nice. Beautiful work.
Wait. Fucking thank God.
Ah, that was close. But 0 drawdown pretty much. I mean, maybe like 1 or 2 pips for like a split second, but for the most part, I'm in profit the whole time because the retest entry gives you that, boy. Put some dubs in the chat. Spam them dubs up, boy.
You've done it again.
This is the 10th win.
That
0.
was a fucking stonker.
Yeah, that was a stonker.
When I trade gold, I risk 0.1%. When you call it, I go to 1.4.
Fucking hell.
All the other trades off the floor.
Very nice.
Pisses me off.
Very, very nice. Very nice.
Thank you, Goldie, for giving me some back.
anybody to put GJ sell? Nobody. Was everybody in on gold?
I think everyone was balls deep on gold, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
What's GJ? Oh, GJ.
GJ's coming down
I took the closure below the QP, closure below 750. It's a Brian, that's a Brian move.
Yeah, did the break,
And I
did the
spent
break of the OB just work? How much?
Yeah, it's not invalid now. So now it's applied.
Yeah, so there, 11 pips stop, you would have got a nice little trade out of that.
Yeah, what a nice morning.
Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you haven't. 270 people in the chat and only 55 likes. Hell no, man. I haven't lost in the stream this month, boy. Get them likes up. Got GJ, nice. Oh my god, this Goldie's pushing. I'm trying to think of our entry. Ah, man, I might actually hold this stop. I might actually hold this a little longer over here to flip this daily. Daily salary play. I might actually hold this a little bit further, actually. 1622. I'm gonna move it to.
Yeah, you can hold it to 1649 if you want to.
Jace, did you get the retest on 15 on GJ of that supply?
I didn't get the retest. I
thought
got
you got the retest.
Excuse me?
I thought you got the retest. Did you get the flip of 750?
Yeah, I got the flip.
Yeah,
So
fine. Yeah.
the closure.
But still, the
below-
retest, it's the demand and supply, so that's fine.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh, I feel so much better now.
Do you take it, Bri?
Yeah.
Nice.
In that with you on the goal. That's why I missed the GJ. It was weird that Jason was on GJ and not taking the goal. And I'm taking the goal and not on GJ.
Oh yeah, that's a different one than usual.
Nah, I don't like. I spoke to Brian about this on numerous occasions. I don't like when we engulf the whole range. Usually, like I know that when we engulf the whole range, we usually either test the structure that we've engulfed, or we go all the way up to captain. I need to hold all that drawdown. Then we push down. So because of all the trades that I've taken like that, I just sacked it. I just like, fuck, I don't like that.
That was a nice push to 20 pips as well. Goes straight on 20 pips. I got 20% running. Because I think, especially when you get the retest entry, you could be a little bit safer.
You got 14 already from the retest.
I was on GJ.
That was gold.
What gold? I think this runner could be quite nice.
I got 25 on GJ now again, so 3 guy happy chippy, my bro. 3 guy happy chippy. I think I'm going to bed now again, my bro. Fuck sakes. Rex, I think you can just close the stream and we done for the morning.
Mate, what is the fucking difference between this month and all the others that pass? What the fuck?
I'm not gonna answer on your part.
Yeah, it's because of the stops, bro. That's all it is.
Yeah, 100%. But now you know. Yeah. I think myself and Jason did tell you this from like Feb.
Yeah. Well, no, because you would always go, oh, I'm using a fucking 4 pip stop. Well, Brian isn't using fucking bigger stops right now.
Yeah, but I saw it. I saw that the cycle starting to change. Right, we weren't getting those small candles.
Yeah.
From an early time.
Yeah. Plus the market gives you your stop loss. It's not like you thumb sucking the stop loss. This is what the stop loss the market is giving me, unfortunately.
Yeah. So look at that. If you take a look at the trades taken this month, we've had 1, 2, 3 black Teds, all winners. I'll update that later on when it hits whatever it wants to do. Well, my month is a nice L so far. Well, it's the same boat for 90% of people, so it's okay. You just gotta learn it. Why? Are you taking too many trades? I think people also need to realize the people in our group who are taking a lot of trades know what they're doing. Been doing this for like a year. Like, I feel sometimes the people who are maybe starting off like, oh, I need to take more trades and look at this one and this little OB and this thing, you know, left, right, center. But that comes with time. It's like learning how to touch type. At the start, you're gonna be pretty slow, but you're just gonna get used to it, and then you can build up the speed and how many you take. But I think for the most part, just don't rush into it too much. Just chill about, and backtesting is the main thing. The biggest issue is revenge trading this month. Yeah, it's actually one of the webinar I'm doing this week. I have one of the members in the group still doing this, so I'm gonna go through that. Yeah, in the G drive, I've got the psychology webinars. I remember one guy saying that he's blowing his account and he needs a good bollocking, and I did a bollocking one somewhere. He was on one of these mindset, mental health. I'm pretty sure it's that one. Yeah. GG back Asian low, yeah. Yeah, it's a bit annoying for the closure. Looking like it's reacted off that 500 level. Max, can you pay mentorship with US Visa? I have no idea. There's people in the US who pay anyway, but there's PayPal or there's crypto. There's debit. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think it should all work. How was your entry? How you didn't get break even? Because I never came back up to my entry.
Listen, GJ is going up. We're sweeping lows, Asian soup. So I'm looking for an entry here.
Yeah, boy. Omar even said in the chat as well. Yeah. Soup time. Soup
The entry
time.
work on the 500.
Are you not worried about the double top on the 4 hour?
Yeah, we will run for that. At least. You know what I mean?
In this 4 hour candle?
You never know, bro. You know what I mean? We can run it in 10 seconds.
Hey Max, so when your stop is 15 and you manage it to 5, now when you hit TP, how do you record it to stop 15 or 5? Hey Max, so when your initial stop is 15 pips and you manage it to 5, when you hit TP, how do you record it? I would record it to 15, yeah, especially because I'm doing percentage risk right now. You know, if I'm doing a percentage risk, I risk 20 pips. Right, stops. Even if I manage risk and closed at 5, or I move my stops to 5, that's good managing risk, but it hasn't changed my lot size in the trade. You know, I still risked the lot size for 20 pips. So yeah, because that can be misleading. You know, if I then come here and go my stop loss is 5 and I close at 20, they go fucking hell, you made a 1 to 4. Like, well, no. So just be careful with people stuff. Just make sure that it's. Just go through the maths and stuff. Oh shit, I forgot to say TP1 here. Shit. Oh, my runner stayed in there with the fucking skin of my teeth. I'm in the US and paying through PayPal easy. Yeah, I did think that. I'm pretty sure PayPal's from US. Like, let's take a look. I know, bro. Was doing well the past month, but took a stupid big loss last week and now struggling with psychology. Yeah, just one of them things, man. Everyone goes through it. Sometimes you just gotta think to yourself, can I get past it, or is trading really for me? And then you just sack it. This group has been very good in helping you manage expectations and mental, just everything in general. Yeah, 83 likes, amazing work. So yeah, I mean, Goldie came past my entry now, so the runner couldn't continue. That's a bit of a shame. But what do we know by the runner? Well, there was a little bit of support on the hourlies and the 30s, so we got what we were given there, which is good. And it went nowhere near our stops, which is amazing. Much better. So yeah, I think from now, I'm gonna wait later on for some trades. I hope people in the swing Asians here are good. Did you take the break of the high there, Bri?
Yeah.
Good lad. Where's your stops? 5. Yeah, much better, much better.
We're up already, what? 21.
He got it in the 5.
Oh, the one before,
one.
yeah.
Oh,
Nah.
yeah.
Oh, what a trade. Very nice.
Big 750 at London, huh?
I took it off, bro. I don't care about it anymore. No, it's still there. It's still there. But the rejection, bro. The rejection was it. You know what I mean? The rejection on 15 was enough to say that we're sweeping that Asian.
What made the trade the best is the entry with instant profits. Yeah, but that's why we looked at this 5-minute trend line, because it normally gives you that. You're getting on the top wick of it, which is good. So yeah, simulation session gonna start at 9:30 today. So make sure to be there in the group. If you guys do want to join the mentorship, make sure to put the link. I'll put the link in here to join. So in the space of two weeks, it's not even it's 2 weeks. 2 weeks, you've had this would be 11 wins, 1 loss. You've had 20 live streams, 4 simulations, 2 webinars, a homework, and yeah, so for only 25 quid. I mean, fucking hell. I think no other mentorship group actually does anything apart from just signals. People just do the signals and fuck off, but I do much more than that. So yeah, thank you very much. See you later, Zoom. Do a 9:30. I hope these GJ buys run all the way to 167. I think that'll be pretty easy, to be honest with you. Now we've got the rejection of the Asian lows, so good luck.
There we go. We're going to the moon.
Yeah, boy. Gold's finally
Gold's
continuing
coming
down.
behind.
I saw the flip.
Baby.
30-minute flip.
I took it on the imbalance at the top.
Nice.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's tight.
Naughty.
Blowing.
Hey, Shashin, I'm watching you, eh?
Very nice, very nice.
Where did you
You
guys
need
learn
to
all
chill
these
out,
little
eh?
tricks? Where'd you guys learn all these
Yeah,
little
suck
tricks?
your mother.
Right.
Mother sucker.
See you later, squad. Peace
Good
out.
Yes, guys.
See you later,
Cheers,
mate.
guys.
See you later, guys.
See you later, guys.
Yeah,
Peace out.
this Maxi.
Adios,
Thanks,
amigos.
See you later.
See you later. See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much for coming on. If you guys have any questions about the mentorship, make sure to ask me. Either on Instagram or whatever, I'll always reply. It's £50 a month, but for the past two weeks, I was just saying what you've been given. So yeah, you can actually work out if you've got an account the percentages. So you would have been, if this one goes here, this is probably another 14%. So 14% in half a month. If you've got like a £1,000 account, then you've made 140 quid. So you know, it's just, you can do the maths and see if it actually costs you any money at all. So yeah, guys, peace out. Adios, amigos. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later.
Yes, because that
laying down.